boys and girls. She's another one. Where do you see this? The project for today, because we're doing it again and again and again, is the chicken coop. Now, here's the plan. I got to try to turn this mess into a housing for chickens. But here's the backstory. I'm going to build a new coop because this is just kife. There's no way this is going to work for long term. But for short term, I got to do it because I really don't have a choice in the matter. So this is what we're going to do. And we're going to hope for the best. So I got to clean out all this garbage out of here. But I found a treasure. That's a bucket of copper fittings. And they don't look used. Imagine that. They could clean up. I'm going to go online, do some research about cleaning copper fittings. If not, well, I'll tumble them and send them off to scrap. But I need some of them. Anyway, I digress. I'm going to clean all this crap up. We got the burn going. And then we're going to start fixing the roof. You can see there's a rotted off truss. We're going to fix that. I got to make this work. Temporary. So this is the task at hand. I got a lot of work to do, but I wanted to give you guys a preemptive look at it. And then we're going to clean it all out. This was a shed, I think, for a riding mower. I'm assuming. So, anyway, I'll give you an outside look. The really nice thing is the doors are nice. I like the doors. So this is a look at her. It's an add-on to the back of the shed. Back of the mini barn, sorry. Which I got a roof to do on that. So this is what we're going to do. Is fix this mess up. So this could be our new chicken coop for a while. So this is what's going to happen. So stay tuned. This is about to be a very good video. Alrighty, as you can see, we are making some headway. Getting this place cleaned up. Snowing out. Welcome to Brunswick. I cut out two of these rafters, I guess you'd call them. I'm not sure. These notches are done wrong. I don't know. Whatever. I'll figure it out. So, yeah. Making some headway and clearing the floor. The wall, the damage is a little bit on that side there. I'll use the pencil as a pointer. Right, this area right here. There's a little bit of rot there. And this along here. No, I'm going to go back to conventional finger. You guys used to love the finger in the video, so all this rotted out. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get this. They use siding for roofing material. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just horrendous. So that lot's going to come off. I got some OSB. I found this little treasure here, though. This is a bucket of copper and brass fittings. And I don't know if you guys can help me, but if you guys can tell me, there's some iron in there. Like, I don't know if some of these are brand new, it appears to be. If you guys can tell me how I'm going to clean this stuff up, like this, let me know if you got any ideas. It's a full pail of it. Now, rainwater got into it, so she is a bit of a disaster. I don't know what that is. So I'm going to go through and sort all these. Look at that. Would you look at that, buddy? So a plumber must have had this bucket. And you guys know the price of these fittings now. There's a little bit of treasure in there. So yeah, I'm going to play with that later. But we got more stuff to do. More wood rot. So I think what I'm going to do is take that lower panel out. And then that way I can slide anything I want to do is to slide it in under the wall and to put it back where the floor trusses used to be. This is pretty powdery and messy stuff down here. So I got to figure out how to dig all that out and get that cleared up. But we got to maintain a fire because I got to burn this garbage. So, and there's lots of it, but we're getting there. We're getting there, slow but sure. Gonna rip up the rest of this floor, and then we'll frame up a new floor. I went to the store, got some sticks, So I'll get the roof trusses first. This was the first one that came out. It was rotted off at the bottom. And there's two of them. So those were out of the roof. So I'm going to keep going. And there's the detail of the bird's mouth. I'm not sure why they pulled. Like, wouldn't have you just left it like that? Maybe? I don't know. I'm not a carpenter. But that's kind of what I would have did if it were me. I don't know. We'll see. We'll play the we'll see game. I can just leave it like that. It just looks weak to me, but who knows? These stayed up till it rotted out. So, is it really weak? And we had to use a vibrating saw, oscillating saw to get these out. That was a bit of a trick. So I'm going to go back to that. I'll cut the first one and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So there you go. We're back at it. The latest project. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to comment. Duck at the rot. See you back in a bit. Alrighty, boys and girls. Well, this is day one of this old shed. And we got a lot of stuff tore out. We got some of the roof tore apart. It's snowing. It's just making it a pain. I got 2 replacement trusses done. Just a minute, I'm on Zoom. Let's fix you guys up here. There you go. So I got 2 of the trusses in that were bad. So that's fixed. The other ones are okay, I guess. The bird's mouths are kind of screwy. Don't blame me for it. I just followed along what was there because I really can't change it. I think they're cut too deep. They're almost halfway through the 2x4. And it's only 2x4 for roof trusses, but they're back in place, nice and tidy. Tomorrow we'll put the sheet on the roof, and then I got to figure out how to tackle this floor. Right now the ground's frozen. We scraped up what we could, and the rest is, that's like frozen, fungusy kind of, oh look at that, a tree root. I got to cut that out tomorrow. Tree root going through there, because there's, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Trees, because that's what New Brunswick's got, lots of trees. So that's day one of this old shed, and this old shed's going to be a coop for the chickens for a while till I build a new coop, which I'm going to do, I promise, but I got to get them going, I got to get things started, and this is just going to be so we can get rocking and rolling and get things happening, and then I got to move all that stuff. That's going to be the garden out there. So, yeah, we got some things. I'm going to start doing some stuff that I need to get done that makes me feel good. That's, it's therapeutic to get this going. So that's why it's so important. So it's just going to be a shed. The cost of lumber right now is ridiculous. You guys know that. But I'm going to try to resheet it. I got to try to make it vermin proof. Vermin, whatever. Vermin, I don't know. So this is going to be fun. So if you guys got any suggestions, remember that's what the comment section's for. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, check back tomorrow. I'll upload this video and then we'll do part 2 tomorrow. We'll see how many parts it takes to get this. Follow along if you want, and see how we do it. We're going to try to millwright this shed back to life again. Anyway, talk to you soon. Thanks for joining us on yet another adventure. My face is red. I took the quad out for a ride. The snow is just pounding, not pounding, but it stings. It's hitting you in the face. Just crazy. Anyway, like, subscribe, ring the bell. Check back often. And hey, remember, to my viewer out there, we love you. Bye now.